forest, they should not bring in our state.
The members of the Hnym National Youth Movement, Hnym, Bhoi district today set a deadline of 3 days to the Indradhanush Gas Grid Limited Meghalaya Company, Igglm, to prepare all legal documentation ahead of setting up the gas pipeline at Nongrim Nongladao under Rad Bhoi Lasa at Bhoi Rimbong CNRD block. This demand of the Hnym was made after the sudden inspection of the organization to the site of the implementation of gas pipeline allotted to the Igglm at Nongladao after finding that the company has failed to procure legal documents from the village and also from the competent authority of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Speaking to media, Hnym President Petrus Khemdet said that the organization has received several complaints from different quarters that the implementing agency of the pipeline project has failed to obtain legal documents for the project. The weather report.